Hello everybody. So today we're going to connect this SATA SSD, this 512. So let's connect the power, connect SATA, okay, so like this. Then we turn on the computer. So computer is on. Now we go to disk management. This is Windows 7, but the process in Windows 10 is pretty much the same, so it asks us to initialize it. So we just press OK. So here we have it unallocated. So now we just need to format it. So new simple volume. Next, assign letter Y, of course, doesn't matter. Next, choosing the FS, default is fine. Next, finish. So here we have it. So new partition, now it's ready to use. You can store anything over here. So it's so that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching.